What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Hiking with Jake. I'm Jake, and I'm out of breath already. I'm recovering from a cold or the flu, and still not feeling all too great, but I figured some fresh air and outdoors would make me feel a little bit better, get the spirits up, get the fresh air to clear up the nose and whatnot. So here we are. Today, oh, that's cool. Today, we were at the Indian Fort Nature Preserve, I believe it's what it's called. It's just south of Geneseo, and it's a short hike, about a 30-minute loop, roughly, give or take. And there's supposed to be a waterfall here, but I kind of forgot we were at a drought for the last few months, and the waterfall ain't waterfalling. So we're taking a hike down this trail. It's gonna bring us to the Genesee River, and I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I apologize in advance if I'm talking a little raspy, maybe not as loud as I usually talk, and sniffly and nasally. Like I said earlier, I'm coming back up from the flu or cold, or didn't feel like a cold, but I don't think it was the flu either, who knows. So I apologize if I sound kind of funny today, but I had to get outside. It's been too long. And I just upgraded my new phone. I got the Samsung 25 Ultra. So we're checking out the quality camera on this one, and I think we're gonna like it. I think we are liking it. Bird watching is not one of my advanced photography skills. Going back to edit the video, and I find out that neither is holding a damn camera. That's not one of my skills either. Keep doing this, that. Hold the camera, Jake. Jeez. That body of water you see down there is in fact the Genesee River. And there's a happy family down there playing, so I don't want to go down and interrupt their time. So we're going to find another way down. Maybe. But if not, oh well, we had a good time hiking anyway. Sun's in my eyes, it's really bright. That is one big tree. This is probably one of my favorite times of the year to go hiking. Smell of the leaves, the foliage starting to end, and smell of the crinkly leaves on the ground. It's so peaceful. Something about that fresh air after being sick for a week. Ooh. It gets me feeling randy, man. Well, maybe not. Maybe not in that sense, but it feels nice. Got a sign up here. I wonder what it says. You think they know? You really think they know on a Sunday? Let's be good. Let's be good. We won't go. We'll find a different trail back around, but that was nice. Although if I was stealth camping, I probably would have went down that way, but I am not stealth camping, nor am I a very stealthy individual either. The more leaves on the ground, the harder it is to be stealthy. I don't know if you can hear it, but that's not very stealthy. So, no stealth camping yet. Just bring you along on my hikes and my rambling, and hopefully you find my dry sense of humor kind of funny. You kind of enjoy it. If not, I hope you enjoy the nature that I show you in this video too. Alright. We found the river access. Let's give this a shot. Man, it is bright outside. Yeesh. But we made it. We made it to the Genesee River. I'm gonna do a little pretty squirrel for you. Yes, sir. It truly is gorgeous down here. That was the scariest face I think I've ever made. So we made it down. I'm gonna head back up, and when we get back up and get to the car, get situated, I'll give you guys my honest take on this trail. Alright, I'll catch you guys soon. Alright guys, I'm back from the hike. Overall, I'd probably rate that hike a solid 7 out of 10. It's got gorgeous scenery. It's not terribly difficult. There are some steep-ish portions, but I saw a family out there, a mother, a father, and 2 small children, maybe 3 to 5 years old, maybe 6 or 7. I don't know. I've got kids, but I can't keep track of what they look like when they're old or whatever the hell. But there's a waterfall. If you go after it's rain, if you go after it rain, there's a waterfall. If you go after a rainy season or a rainy couple of days, there's a beautiful falls. It's gorgeous down there as well. The hike down to the Genesee River isn't terribly difficult, but like I said, there's some steep portions, so just be careful. The trails are super well maintained, very clearly marked. Area down at the Genesee River, there's like a, well, you guys saw that little rockway there. Perfect place. I bet you can go fishing. You may or may not catch something. Probably would be better if there's a little more water. If we weren't in a drought right now, it probably would have been a little bit better for fishing. But all in all, yeah, solid 7 out of 10. It was a fun hike. It was refreshing. It wasn't too difficult. It worked up a little bit of a sweat, but I think mostly that was because I was wearing a fucking winter jacket and it's 55 degrees outside. So, but that was Indian Fort Nature Trail Preserve. 7 out of 10. Highly recommend. If you guys like what you saw, hit the like button, maybe subscribe, or you know what, hit the dislike button. Tell me what you didn't like. Maybe I can improve on something. I don't know. I'm just a guy that likes to go hiking, and I like to share it with everyone. My kids like watching these videos, so I figured other people might like watching them too. And we'll be back for another one, guys. Take care and enjoy nature, man. Peace.